Hi guys, Angela here. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I purchased some air plants from Air Plant Hub, I believe, is their website even, .com. And I bought the box. We've been outside all day today, just doing stuff around the yard. But I bought this earlier this week, I think on Wednesday, and it shipped super fast, but still I just didn't want the poor plants to be living in the box. So I wanted to take a second and open them up with you guys, see if I can even do it. Okay, I cut both ends of the box. Are you ready for that? It's a Fitbit. It's not even my plants. I've had this sitting on the counter for 12 hours thinking that I was killing some poor plants, and it's just a Fitbit from my health insurance.